Good game sa amin, no? I think yung defense namin, bumaba yung scoring. So I think crucial sa amin yan. Just want to move on right now and be ready sa game 3 kasi I know it will be more tougher sa game 3. Those lapses na nangyari for today's sa game namin ngayon, I hope I'll be mindful and be more better and maging focus sa game 3.
Yung error mo kanina, yung pasa kay nakapunta kayo nangyari mo?
Well, nakita ko kasi nakita ko tatlo sila nandun tapos papunta sa akin lahat yung it's just lapses and error, bad decision making for me. So I'll take that, inoon ko yun. So like I said, I'll be better on game 3 and those decision making.
Brownlee, heroics niya kanina. Brownlee, si Justin, heroics niya.
Justin is Justin. We just need to help him, sa mga spots na makuha niya yung bola. And I think for today's game, nakuha namin yun. Nahanap namin si Justin through sa flow namin sa offense.